what's up, man? Yo, can I get a beer?
What's up, Josh?
Hey, man.
How you been, bro?
I'm doing pretty good.
You gonna drink tonight or what?
Oh, yeah, I need a beer, man.
Yeah? Here, have a beer.
Aw, sweet. Thanks, bro.
Oh, fuck, bro. It's been one of them fucking days, I'll tell you that much.
Hell yeah, man. Hey, man. Cheers, man.
Yeah, fuck. Where you been?
I've been chilling up in the, you know, just been chilling out, you know, hey.
Dude, I'm ready to go fucking beat someone's ass the fucking day.
Oh, man.
You ready to fucking box? Let's go fucking do it! Let's do it!
Yeah.
I know what the fucking say.
Yeah, so like freaking. So what's been going on with you?
Fucking pussy?
What? I'm not a pussy. Look at you got the rolling nice condoms going on, right?
Hey, I said I've been fucking pussy.
Oh, fuck, pussy.
Look at me. Girls can't resist a guy like me.
Hell no. Look at
You're a fucking idiot. I should fucking kill your motherfucking ass. You
What are you-
motherfucker!
Ah!
Pull your fucking ass out! Pull your fucking ass